Your camera could be the key to making money in the jewelry business. In this video, I will be covering cameras, lighting, setup, and much, much more. Let's get into it. High quality jewelry photos aren't just nice to have, they're really a must. They create a better buying experience, plus the jewelry business will need them for their website, social media, and every bit of marketing. So when it comes to the camera, you'll be able to get away with using your phone. But I would use a more professional camera like a mirrorless or DSLR if possible. A professional camera will always outshine an iPhone because it gives you sharper details, better control over lighting, and more in depth in your shots. If you don't have a professional camera, an iPhone can still work. Just make sure you use good lighting, a tripod, and focus on capturing the details. Also, when it comes to the actual photo shoot, you'll probably look a little more professional showing up with a real camera. For jewelry photography, the best lenses are macro lenses, 50mm to 100mm. These will allow you to capture intricate details with sharp clarity, perfect for showing off gems. Prime lenses, 50mm to 85mm, will offer excellent image quality with a wide aperture, which helps create beautiful background blur that makes your jewelry pop. A tripod is essential for jewelry photography because it stabilizes your camera, preventing blurry images caused by camera shake. It allows you to take longer exposures, maintain consistent framing, and focusing on capturing the fine details without any movement, ensuring sharp, professional quality shots every time. Now let's talk about lighting. Lighting is crucial in jewelry photography because it highlights the details, textures, and sparkles of the pieces. Proper lighting helps eliminate harsh shadows, enhances reflections, and brings out the true colors of the gems and gold, making your jewelry looking best and attracting buyers. Now let's talk about backdrops. The right backdrop is key to jewelry photography because it ensures the focus stays on the piece without distractions. Simple neutral backgrounds like white, black, or soft grays work best, as they highlight the jewelry's details and colors, while textured or color backdrops can add character and depth when used carefully. Props can help in jewelry photography by adding context and enhancing the overall aesthetic of the shot. It can create a story, give you scale to the jewelry, and make the piece feel more luxurious and wearable, all while making the photo feel more dynamic and engaging. Minimal editing is key in jewelry photography because you want it to look true to life. Over editing can distort details, colors, and textures, making the jewelry appear unrealistic. While subtle adjustments like brightening, sharpening, or color correction enhance the photo without losing authenticity. Creating your own photography style is about developing a unique approach that reflects your brand and vision. It involves choosing consistent lighting, backdrops, and angles, and editing techniques that make your jewelry stand out. By experimenting and refining your style, you will create a recognizable aesthetic that makes your photos instantly identifiable. All right, now let's talk about where to find customers. Number one, jewelry stores and boutiques. Start with the jewelry stores that are in your area. Walk in with your portfolio, something simple like a tablet or a printed booklet. Show them how clean, sharp images can make their jewelry look even more stunning online and in print. Offer to photograph a few pieces as a test. Keep it easy. If they like your work, they'll want more. Number two, craft and artisan fairs. Go to where jewelry makers are, craft fairs, local markets, and artisan events. Walk through the booths, talk to vendors, and check out their work. Many of them make beautiful jewelry but don't have great photos to match. Show them how better images can help sell more pieces online. Offer to shoot a few products to get started. It's a casual, friendly way to build trust and find new clients. Number 3, bridal shops. Visit bridal boutiques in your area. They sell more than dresses, wedding bands, earrings, and accessories. All need high quality photos. Introduce yourself. Share your portfolio and show how stunning photos can enhance their marketing and attract more brides. Start small with a few pieces and build the relationship from there. Number 4, local jewelry designers. Seek out jewelry designers working in studios or maker spaces. These artisans need professional images to showcase their craftsmanship online or in catalogs. Visit their workshops or network at local events. Show them how your photography can elevate their brand and help them stand out in a crowded market. Number 5, trade shows. Attend local gem and jewelry trade shows. These events are full of designers, wholesalers, and store owners who need polished photography for their products. Bring business cards and a clean, simple portfolio, start conversations, and offer your services to vendors looking to upgrade their visuals. Number 6, e-commerce sellers. Search for local Etsy sellers or small business owners selling jewelry online. Many struggle with low-quality images that don't do their work justice. Reach out with a friendly message or meet them at their local maker events. Offer to help them create professional, eye-catching photos that will boost their sales. Number 7, pawn shops and repair shops. Visit upscale pawn shops or jewelry repair shops in your area. They often refurbish high-end pieces and need photos to show their transformations. Number 8, networking groups. Join small business networking groups or your local chamber of commerce. Many jewelry businesses are small, family-owned, and need professional help with their product photography. Attend meetups and introduce yourself as the go-to jewelry photographer. The personal connections you will build will keep you on top of mind when they need your expertise. Number 9, word of mouth. Leverage your network. Talk to friends, family, and clients about your jewelry photography. Ask them to spread the word or connect you with local jewelers they know. Personal recommendations can go a long way in building trust and expanding new clients. And that's how you find jewelry photography clients locally. Keep it simple, start small, and focus on building relationships. Whether you're walking into stores, visiting markets, or attending events, remember your work speaks for itself. Show them how your photography can elevate their business, and the opportunities will follow. Thanks for watching.